And then we're going to learn about a new routine called finger stretching. Let's start by learning about phonemes.
All words are made out of letters. We all know that. But there's a different way of thinking about words.
Consider this. All words are made out of sounds.
When we say a word, what we're really doing is making a series of speech sounds.
Think about the word zip. Zip has 3 sounds. Z, I.
In the word zip, every sound is spelled with just one letter. Z, I, P. Z, I, P.
That's not true for all words. Think about the word boat. Boat has 4 letters, but just 3 sounds. B, O, T.
That's because the middle 2 letters, OA, are combining to spell just one sound.
These speech sounds have a special name. We call them phonemes.
Phonemes are sounds, not letters.
When we understand phonemes, it helps with both reading and spelling.
Think about the word teach. Teach has just 3 phonemes, T, E, Ch.
The first speech sound, T, is spelled with T.
The second speech sound is E, and we spell it with the letters EA. The third speech sound is Ch, and that's spelled with the digraph CH.
Teach has 3 phonemes but 5 letters. As we work with the phonemes, it's important to remember a few key things. All words are made out of speech sounds.
We call these speech sounds phonemes. Some speech sounds are spelled with more than one letter.
Remember teach? Each phoneme is related to a letter or a group of letters.
Think about these words.
Ash, ash.
R, a, sh, rash.
Ash, smash.
Sh, r, p, sharp.
When we understand the phonemes in words, we can read and spell words better.
When we want to know how many phonemes are in a word, we can use our fingers to pull apart the phonemes. We call this process finger stretching, and here is how it works.
We start with a spoken word, like the word gap. I say the word gap slowly.
And for each phoneme, I extend one of my fingers.
Gap has 3 phonemes. For the first phoneme, G, I extend my thumb as I say the phoneme. For the second phoneme, A, I extend my pointer finger as I say the phoneme. For the third phoneme, P, I'll extend my middle finger as I say the phoneme.
Then I close my hand and make a fist as I blend the phonemes back into a word. Gap.
That's called finger stretching. I'll show you again using the word shock. First, I'll say the word with my fist closed. Shock. Then I will start stretching it. For the first phoneme, sh, I extend my thumb as I say the phoneme. For the second phoneme, ah, I extend my pointer finger as I say the phoneme. And for the third phoneme, k, I extend my middle finger as I say the phoneme.
Then I close my hand and make a fist as I blend the phonemes back into a word. Shock. This process is called finger stretching. We will be stretching many words during our HD word lessons. Not all words have 3 phonemes. Some will have 2 phonemes, and some will have 4 or 5 phonemes. Most of the words you hear today will have 2, 3, or 4 phonemes.